Hello? 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 So you can hear right? Hello? Okay. Now can so okay. Now this is our first year program. So ADA Lab. So this is our first program, first year program. So what is this program? Create a Java class. Create a Java class called student. So that means I have to create a class with name student with the following details. What are those details? USN, name, branch, and phone number. Now write a Java program to create n student objects. Okay, n student objects and print USN, name, branch, and phone number of these objects with suitable headings. So this is what the first A program is. Okay. So I hope you understood uh, this program. Okay. So now we'll see how the program is. So this is our first program. This is our first program. So now, okay. Now this is my program. Okay. This is my header file. Import java.util.star. Okay. Then this is my class. This is class file. Public class student. So here they have asked particularly asked the question, create a Java class with name student. That means I need to create class by name student only. Okay. And I need to uh, declare four variables: USN, name, branch, and phone number. Then I write a Java program to create n student objects. So that means I need to create objects and print USN, branch name, and phone number of this suitable headings. Okay. Now we'll see the program. See, this is our program. So where this is the student class, okay, which is public in nature. Then within that, I have written scanner sc is equal to new scanner of system.in. So I think you are already aware of this in module 3 in the notes, and as well as I explained in the Zoom class as well, how to input by the variables from the user. Okay, so that we already studied. So ಯಾವ ತರ input ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ by using scanner class. Okay, scanner class, and this is a variable I can give anything. Then but this line you should use static scanner sc is equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay, this is a scanner class that is used to accept inputs from the user. Okay. Then within this class student, I have declared four variables: name, USN, branch, and phone number. So four variables I have defined because in the question they have asked only four variables: USN, name, branch, and phone number. Okay. So these four variables I have defined here. All can be of type string. Say I can make USN as int, branch as something else, phone number as long. But what I'm doing is I'm treating all this as string only. So if at all I give something within double quotes, that becomes string. You know that. Okay. No, so that's why I've declared four variables. Then here I'm writing main method. Okay. Here I'm writing main method. Public static void main string of arguments. Okay. Within that I'm declaring two variables again, n and I. Okay. Now first system.out.println enter the number of students. Since the program is accept the student details and print student details. So first what I need to do, I should enter how many number of students details I want. So to do that, I will put a printf statement, enter how much student details you want. Okay. And by using n, I am inputting here. Okay. Sc, why sc? Because here I have taken a variable as sc. This can be anything. So I can take this as a kp also. If I take kp here, then it should be kp here also. Okay. So I can take anything, and also it should be KP here. So ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ತಗೊಂತೀನೋ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಸೊ SC ಅಂತಾನೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, you can use anything. Okay, so I'll undo how much number of student details I want. Okay, n is having how much number of students I want. Now what I'm doing, I'm declaring an array. Okay, array object of some and student details. Student array consists size, maximum size is 10. Okay, now within for loop, what I'm doing, I'm creating object here. Okay, so what I have used here, I should use the same thing here. Object of I can be anything. Like if I take 3 student details, I start from 0, 1, 2. If I enter number of students as 4, I start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So like that. So how much student details I want, I can enter. Then this will print enter the student and student details. Then we need to enter third student details. So like that. So I plus 1 andre 1, 2, 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Then here I am inputting system.out.println enter name, USN, branch and phone number. So for each I am writing obj of I. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೇಮು, USN, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೇಮು, USN, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಗೆ ನೇಮು, USN, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ I can input n number of student details, n number of students name, USN, branch and phone number. So you should use sc.nextInt. Why sc? Because we have used sc. Here I can use any variable rather than sc. sc.next. Okay, since I am using string, I should use next here. If I use int, next int ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If I use char, I should use next char. So in the module 3, it is clearly explained. You go through that, how to input the variables from the user. Okay, then student details na print ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. So for that I am using for loop. Then you should print each student details here. Okay, this is the program. Okay, accepting n student details, run this program. Now see here in the output it will ask enter number of students. So I can enter anything. Now I will enter 3 students. Now it is asking enter first student details. So I'll keep on entering. First name I will enter Raj. USN I will enter 4AI18IF001. Then branch I will enter ISC. Phone number I will enter some random phone number I will enter. Okay. Then it will ask enter second student details. So I will enter second student details. Joy 4AI IS 4AI18 IS 078. Some value I will enter. Branch I will write ISC only. Phone number I will enter some phone number, some random value I will enter. Next it will ask me to enter third student details. I will enter Chaitra 4AI18 CS005. Then I'll enter branch as CSC. I'll enter some random phone number. Okay, some random phone number. Now it will print me all the details. Okay, name is Raj. Okay, then USN is like this. So I have one more program here, same program, but I'm printing in different way. I'll again once again I'll run. I'll enter 3. Enter first student details. I'll enter some value I'll enter. Then I'll enter second student details. Okay, name Let us start student details now. Somewhere there. Now, when I print this, you can see I am printing all the students. So here what I did, I entered the number of students as 3. So that's why it asked me to enter 3 student details. I entered. After that, I am printing USN name, phone number, and all. So first student name is PU. His name is uh, branch is so ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ PU branch CSE ಆಗಬೇಕು. So this is how I'm going to print. Okay. So this is the program to print n student details. Okay. Okay. So I hope you understood, right? Is there any doubt? So you can take either this one or both are same only. Both are same only. So this is how I can write. So here I'm creating the object, and here I'm creating array. So this is the array and this is the object. So I can create n number of objects by using for loop. Okay. For loop 1, it keeps on entering n size ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ and print ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So this is what our first year program is. Okay. Is there any doubt? Okay. Now we'll move on to our next program. So that is 1B. So see here, this is the manual where I can enter the details and it will print details like this. Okay. Now this is our second program. 1B. Sorry. First program only in that B. Right? Push, pop, and display method to demonstrate its working. So this is our second program. Okay. So that is write a Java program to implement the stack using arrays. Write push, pop, and display method to demonstrate. That means I need to use stack program, and I need to perform operations like push, pop, and all. I think I'll just give a brief introduction of what is stack programming is. Stack is okay. See, stack is the abstract data type commonly used in most programming language. It names stack behaves like a real world stack. For example, enunciated ಅದೇ ತರ ಒಂದು stack. So that means I can perform operation only at the one end. Andre, right? Then I'll keep one more plate. Then I'll keep one more plate. Here also, first I'll keep the card. Then upon that, on top of that, I'll keep one more card. So like that, it becomes a stack of cards or stack of plates. So if I want to remove if I want to this, I'll remove this. Like this. So in the next, so that means the one which is lastly inserted, that will be removed first. So that's why it's called last in first out. Operation. Okay. So pop and display method to demonstrate it's working. So now we'll see class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ operations ನ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು stack program ಅಲ್ಲಿ I write main method. Okay. So first we'll see stack class. This is the class stack file I have imported. This is the class stack which in with 3, 4, top becomes 1, 2, 3. The element add now. So I'll create a array of items. Keep on adding variable private only. Then what I'll do, I'll declare a push operation. Push operation declare martine, and I am passing one parameter. Okay. Now, top equal to stack again. Okay. So if top equal to item dot length minus 1 andre already ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಸೈಜ್ 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕಿಗೆ, 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಯರ್. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಯರ್, when I keep on entering, top will keep on incrementing like this. Correct? If top equal to my length minus 1, it should print stack is full. Else ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, okay. Next, I have to ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 4 5 ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ when top equal to minus 1, then there is no element in the stack. Okay. So when there is no I need to print a print stack is empty. Okay. So now this is if top equal to minus 1. Else what I will do? If there is element in the stack, what I will do? I'll keep on deleting that top element. Okay. So then top ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 5 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ element will enter into the it will print. What I will do, I'll write a main method where I'll declare a scanner class sp and everything. First what I will do, I will make s equal to 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ yes anta, then initially it will be true. Okay, next I'm creating an object. The object name is STK. Okay, last object create ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈ class. For this class, do while true anta. Initially yes will be true. Okay? So until this is true, keep on doing things. Class I'm creating object STK. Okay, STK. What I do dot push. When I call this, it will redirect me to this particular method. Okay, correct? So stack dot push idre our element call. Next, this is pop. So when I call pop, it will be redirected to here. Okay. Next, when I use display, what happens? So this is what now I need ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ main method ಇದೆ. So I need to run this run one only. Push the element. I'll enter 2, 3, 4. Again, I'll push one element. I'll enter option 1 and I'll enter element 975. Now, so I've entered 3 elements. What are those 3 elements? Pop, push ಮಾಡಿದೆ 6 item. Now I'll display. I'll display using choice 3. Now it will display me 34 975. Okay, so 975 last 678 first ಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 230. Next 9 will be pop here. The top element pop ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Top element ಯಾವುದು 975. Now I'll 34 and 678. Okay, so this is the program. Second, this is the push and one B. This is the stack operation. Okay. Display method. Okay. Element delete ಮೂರು ಇದೆ. Okay. So this is what yeah. Hello. 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 Did you understand? Hello. So, can anyone? So, we will share this program. We will share this program to the respective mail IDs or in the class group. So I hope you understood both the program, and that was creating an object. And second program was performing stack operation. Stack operation, push to pop to display. Okay, so we saw both the programs. Uh, so any doubt is there, you can ping me. WhatsApp or my